Hello everyone, welcome back to Vo ATX Real Estate Channel. My name is Lena Vo and a real estate agent with Premier Team Real Estate in Austin, Texas. Today I am going to tour you a beautiful home that I purchased for my client, which is going to be closed next week. This beautiful custom home was built by Westwood Homes Builder in 2008. The house is about 13 years old. It's located in Spring, Texas. And Spring, Texas is about 30 minutes from Houston, downtown, and approximately about 3 hours drive to or from Austin, Texas. Spring, Texas has attracted people to move here due to the major employers. Besides that, it's also one of the safest places to live in Texas. By the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it to support me doing more future beautiful house tours for you to view. Now, let's tour with me until the end of this video to see a very spectacular scene that is so special about this particular house. This beautiful house has 3-car garage, 2-story. It has 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. The square footage is 4,120 square feet. Has double front doors, 2-story, grand entry and foyer. It has gorgeous spiral staircase with very high ceilings. As you walk into the hallway, there on the left side, there is a regal sizable study room with a double French doors. Plantation shutters on windows. Look at the floor, it's hand-scraped wood floors. Crown moldings around the room and then the building bookshelves. Also, there is a highway workspace right here. As you coming out from the study room, you walk straight that will lead you to a beautiful formal dining room with a surprise, spectacular view. Dramatic dining room with custom ceiling design and custom wood arches, and look into a very large picture window. It is a breathtaking view. As you can see, the leaves are falling, calling autumn and winter is arriving. I do like this layout of the dining room because it also has built-in wine cabinets on both sides and with stand and racks as well. Here is another rack with also cabinets below for wine storage. This wooden arch is very special and it leads you to a nice kitchen and a nice breakfast dining area. The second dining area has multiple windows, which help bring in a lot of natural light, makes the house look much brighter than normal. The dining room area is also open to a cozy, warm family room with a nice white fireplace and crown molding ceilings. So the family room is leading you to a very nice kitchen full with classic white cabinets and a beautiful kitchen lighting fixtures. The house also came with stainless steel double oven, gas range, and a pot filler for water-related cooking. And there's also a built-in stainless steel fridge. Next to that is a huge walk-in pantry. This is my favorite place in the kitchen. Now let's follow me into the first guest bedroom on the main floor. This room has a decent size and it has a small highway office space. Here's also a convenient full bathroom was provided to the user of this first bedroom. And here is a laundry room which has multiple built-in cabinets and also a very nice custom sink installed. Let's go check out the master bedroom. It is the second bedroom on the primary floor. The owner's suite, you can see the tray ceiling, crown molding and hand-scraped wood floor, and beautiful views of the pool and the lake. This master bedroom also has a door that leading you out to the pool and the back door patio as well. Hey, let's now tour the master bathroom. It's pretty much normal for a house like this. Has a very nice frameless glass walk-in shower, a garden tub with jacuzzi, and also has a double sink vanity as well. And you can see there is a very large frosted window which provide more natural light into the bathroom. And walking straight, it is the largest walk-in closet with a lot of built-in cabinets and shelves. Wow, this builder was very thoughtful. They designed a closet with 2 small windows on the top, which helps bring a lot of natural light into the closet. Now let's go to check out the upstairs. It is such a beautiful staircase. So there are a total of 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, 1 game room, and an office corner upstairs. So let's go check out the first bedroom with a full bath. Here is the corner office area. This is very convenient for anyone who need more quiet times upstairs when working from home. This is also the upstairs second bedroom with the closet. And here is the upstairs third bedroom. Now let's go to check out the beautiful lake and pool views at the upstairs balcony. Wow, what is an amazing view. Standing at the balcony looking down, it looks like you are standing on the top of the hotel floor looking down, enjoys and relax at the resort environments like. Now let's follow me to check out the actual beautiful pool and lake views. Well, this is the most breathtaking view. You can hear the soft waterfall, water running, and the yard has beautiful roses and flowers surrounding the fans. The pool is connected view to the beautiful lake with water fountain. And as you can see, little ducks and mommy ducks were swimming in the lake. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed today's home touring. Congratulations to the family who purchased this house. If there's a need for real estate consultation in Austin, Texas and any surrounding cities, please feel free to contact me. My information is in the back of the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate you and see you again in the next video. Bye!